Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie here. So I actually have a video out at this time of what this project took as far as the timeline and all that. I will have a pricing and video for this at some time in the future, but right now this is going to be the installation video. And this is just a pretty straightforward floor. I prepped the whole slab, got a coat of aqua defense down, just one coat to prevent any cracks and to give me more working time with the mortar. I'm using Lattice Trilite thin set mortar to set these in a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square notch trowel. And these are 12 by 24 rectified porcelain tiles. So nice tile. Floor is pretty flat, so I don't really have to do too much adjustments while setting. I checked everything before tile went anywhere. It was within standards, tolerances, so it was good. So this is going to be me installing them. I also used my typical leveling system I've been using for years now, which I prefer, and that's the Ramondi clips, the clips and wedges. There's many names out there. People, you got lippage tuning systems, leveling systems. They're all the same. They all work pretty much the same. They get the same results. You have wedges, you got caps. I prefer the wedges because it's faster during installation. So that's the method I like to use. And I like their clips and all that. So everything works out. But, as always, I key the substrate, flat side trowel, spreader mortar, and then just comb it one direction. Ideally, you want to comb it in the short direction of the tile. That way, when you drop them in, you set them, it allows the air to get out so you get good coverage. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. And I do reply to them, not always right away, but I do check them every so often and to reply to the ones that make sense, because I do get some haters out there. But, oh well, no big deal to me. I'll bring on the haters. But leave a comment if you have any questions on how I'm doing this or anything to help you with this project that you're watching now. And we'll go from there. Alrighty, Donnie D signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video.